Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to purchase ringtones in iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to purchase ringtones using your iPhone. First of all, you have to add payment method in your Apple ID. So go to your iPhone settings app and tap on your name at the top. And here tap on Media and Purchases. Tap on View Account. Once you are in your Apple account settings, here tap on Manage Payments. Tap on Add Payment Method, and all you have to enter here your payment method and add your payment method first. Once you successfully added your payment method and you have amounts in your credit or debit card, now it's time to purchase ringtone. To do that, go to your iPhone settings again and now tap on Sounds and Haptics, and here tap on Ringtone. Tap on Tone Store, and then you will directly jump into iPhone Tone Store. Here tap on Tones, and here you will find lots of ringtone. And as you can see, now to purchase any of them, just tap on this amount icon next to the ringtone and tap on Assign to Contact. Sorry, you have to tap on Done, and now you have to double click on this power button to verify yourself, and once you successfully verified, this amount will be cut from your credit or debit card. And this is how we can purchase ringtones. And now to find out all of your purchased or downloaded ringtones, go to your settings again and again come to this ringtone settings page, and here just tap on Download All Purchased Tones. Once you successfully tapped on that, all of your purchased and downloaded ringtones will be arrived in this list. From here you will be able to easily select the ringtone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.